Hello NICC students, welcome to Library Resources. Today we're going to be looking at how to find journal articles that are research-based. And we have one great source that's free to all Nebraskans. It's called NebraskAccess. So to get started, we're going to want to make sure that we're on NICC's homepage. Once we're here, under Current Students, we can go to Student Resources. From here, we can click Library. NICC's library page is filled with support services to help you find books, research articles, and even get in contact with your librarians. For those of you with questions, please make sure to speak with Susan or Megan at Santee and Macy campuses. For those of you in South Sioux City, speak to either one of us or check out your South Sioux City library just down the street. To begin, we're going to want to go to NebraskAccess, which is under the electronic database collection. We can see by going to the home page that we're going to be able to view a variety of documents, from newspapers, magazines, books, journal articles, and in topics all around the board, from science technology to education, computers, even health and wellness. We're going to want to view all of the databases. NebraskAccess houses a variety of databases. The one that we're going to look at in particular is called Masterfile. Masterfile not only has a variety of topics, but it also covers a variety of fields to help give you a well-rounded perspective. If we click on Masterfile, it'll ask us to log in. Any Nebraska can log in with their driver's license number or their state ID. If you don't have a driver's license or a state identification number, talk to one of your librarians and we'll give you NICC's password. Once we're logged in, we're going to have full access to the Masterfile Complete database. This is co-opted with EBSCOhost and also NebraskAccess. Say we're in a class and we have to research endangered species, and we choose to write about gray wolves. Once we've typed it in, we can click Search. We're going to see there's quite a few options, 1,024 in fact. There's a way to narrow this down, so we're looking at the best sources for us. We're going to choose full text to begin because we want to be able to view the whole article. Because we're looking at gray wolves as an endangered species and seeing where they are now, we might only want to look at articles in the past 10 years. So 2010 to 2020 is probably a good example for us. We can also decide which types of articles we want to look at. If we're researching magazines or newspapers, maybe it's about current events or just to have some common knowledge. Your instructor may require academic journals, which is specifically research-based articles. Once we've clicked these options, we're going to see 16 results. The article title is right here, the authors, also where it's published, as well as the date. We can also see keywords here to make sure it's relevant to us. Our article is looking specifically at gray wolves as an endangered species. This one doesn't really do it for us. But article number 2, absolutely. We can see the word endangered here, social science, and even keywords like endangered, conservation, environmental conditions. This article may be exactly what we're looking for. So we can click full text PDF or HTML. Once the article pops up, we can view all 9 pages of it. Instead of reading it from top to bottom and deciding if it's what we want to write about, we can read the abstract right here to see if it's something that will be helpful to us. Once we're done, we can go back and look for another article. There's also ways to do advanced searching, which we can get into later. But just know that by clicking advanced search, you can also add keywords, such as endangered in this example. To get back to the home page, you can click EBSCOhost and start over. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Masterfile to find research-based journal articles. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.